Hi guys, so today I'll show how to make increases on the purl side of your knit. So I mostly use this for some patterns, some top-down patterns. So yes, we are here on the purl side, so I'm doing purl stitch, and we're gonna purl until the first stitch before the marker. Yes, the last one. And now we're gonna insert the left needle from the front to the back under the yarn that is between the two needles, and we will purl this stitch through the back loop. Okay, so we can purl the last stitch before the marker, and let's do it just one more time so you can get it. So here we will insert the needle from front to the back, and we will purl the stitch on the back loop, through the back loop. Yes, and now we purl the last stitch before the marker, and we slip the marker, we purl one more, and now we're gonna make one to the right. So we insert the needle, the left needle, from back to front, and we purl the stitch through the front loop. So once again, we insert the left needle from the back to the front under the yarn between the two needles, and we purl it through the front loop. And now we just continue purl stitch until the end of this row, and the next row will be all stitches in knitting. So that's it. I hope I have helped you, and don't hesitate to contact me if you have further questions.